something that would actually make your hands look pretty younger. Do not actually let your hands age you out, because when your hands look aged and old, people are going to be thinking that you're actually old. So I have a very strong anti-aging remedy, natural remedy that would help you to remove, at least that will help you to take 10 or 15, 20 years off your skin, and you're going to be looking super duper young. Your hands are going to be looking so polished. Alright, do thumbs up this video, and of course please share. So watch the video till the very end so you could see me apply it, and all of the instructions that I'm going to be giving you that will be very helpful in this wrinkle hand remedy. So here I have my aloe vera. So you can use the fresh aloe vera, or you can use this processed aloe vera. You can either use the processed aloe vera or this fresh one, okay? Any of this is perfect. All right, for me, I'm gonna be using the fresh one, you guys. Like, I prefer everything fresh. So I'm gonna be taking just a little cut of my aloe vera and then prepare it. So after doing that, then I'll grab my blender and I'll cut it into smaller pieces. Put inside the blender. Then again, we're going to be making use of tomato. Now, tomato is great ingredient that helps to rejuvenate and close up large and open pores. It works wonders in removing hair. It helps to smoothen out your skin and also brighten your skin. So it will definitely help to remove wrinkles on your hands. So we're gonna prepare and cut it in little tiny pieces. Alright, you guys, so let's blend this. I'm going to put in just little water and then we blend it. Alright, you guys, so done blending, and so we're going to be straining this out. here it is, the sliminess has cut off, okay, which is very perfect. So you guys, we're going to be making use of sugar. You can use your brown sugar or your white sugar, any sugar you lay your hands on. You can literally make use of it, okay? It's perfect. Sugar helps so much in removing wrinkles. It helps to remove dead skin cells, and it also helps to rejuvenate and make your skin glow so well, because it would have scrubbed out all of the redness on the skin. All right, so I'm actually putting about 2 tablespoons of my sugar, and then I will then stir it all up. So I'm going to be making use of rice powder. So you in some cases you might actually not get your rice powder to buy in the market, but you can actually blend your rice powder by yourself. You just literally take some of your rice in your kitchen and then you blend it into a powder form, okay? So I'm putting about 2 tablespoons of rice powder. And then we'll stir. So you're going to be putting petroleum jelly or coconut oil. So I'm putting just a little bit of my petroleum jelly into this. And then we're going to mix very well. So in this case, the rice seems not to be enough, so I'm going to put in just a little more, about 1 more tablespoon, so the consistency can be friendly enough to apply. And here you go, you guys. Can you see that consistency? Yeah, that is actually that's what you need. That's how it should be, okay? And then you use this on your hands every morning for like 1 week, okay? So when scrubbing, make sure you scrub just a little. Do not over scrub, all right? Scrub your hands in a circular motion, and then you scrub your knuckle area also. Make sure you scrub your right hands, because the right hands are usually being used. Like, we use the right hand more often than the left hand, and most of the time we take care of the left hand and we forget to take care of the right hand too, okay? So make sure you scrub this and scrub it in a circular motion, just like what I am doing right now. Scrub it this way gently, okay? When you use rice powder and sugar, it's gonna have a lot of particles. Make sure to scrub your palm. It's very important. you scrub your knuckles really well. Scrub all of your knuckles down here. Alright, so after that, then you can leave it on for a few minutes and then you go wash this off. Okay, so for this you can store it for a couple of days. As you store it, it's going to be looking thick, so when you want to use it, you just add a little bit of water, you know, to loosen up the consistency because it's rice powder. Okay, then you use it for like 2-3 weeks. Your hands are gonna be looking so young and you are gonna be surprised at what you're gonna be seeing, you guys. All right, so yeah, that's it. Go give this a go, and you know, you can introduce it to somebody that, you know, he's having rough hands and stuff, and you know, so you could at least save someone's skin. All right, because this works so well. So don't forget to thumbs up the video, and yeah, store it inside your refrigerator. When you want to use it, then you use it, okay, for a best result. At most from 1 week you're going to be seeing a significant result. All right, love you guys, and yeah, try it out. Okay.